Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound settings on your Word Trip application. If you want to go ahead and play your Word Trip game without any kind of a sound effect, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Word Trip application. From the main homepage, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. Now, you will be presented with the list of options from the menu. Simply tap on the music and sound option at the very top and make sure that it looks like this. Soon after you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effect on your Word Trip application and enjoy playing the game without any sounds. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.